Hey everyone, it's Josh here from the Rumford Branch Collection. If you guys don't want to hear me talk about unrelated but related shenanigans, you can skip to this part of the video. So it has been a while since I have posted or shared my own content on the channel. I had been trying for months to find a way to present in a way that makes me happy. After a lack of motivation for quite some time, I have finally decided that I will upload videos from the days that I have spent rail fanning, and also compiled videos of certain themes that were just too short for videos by themselves. These videos will include my narration, as I have decided that I want to tell more of a story with my videos. I want to tell my viewers a little more about what they're seeing and what I see. Also, I have started a Patreon which I will be putting in the description below. I will be happy to see my subscribers support me to keep the channel going and to continue making content. I won't be listing the perks here, but they will be listed in the membership. Anyways, enjoy this brand new presentation from me to you. The date is July 30th, 2022, and the Belfast Moosehead Lake Railroad is well underway at their Saturday activities. This includes 2 short round trips of only 4 miles between the towns of Unity and Burnham. Initially, I had missed them departing Unity, but caught up with them here at Prairie Road in Burnham. This was the 11 o'clock trip. In the lead was GP9 number 1483, built in January 1959 for the Nickel Plate Road as number 813. I'm not too sure when it arrived on the BML, but the locomotive still wears the Rail America paint scheme. There is no siding at the end of the trip for the train to run around on. Because of this, they have to shove the train the entire 4 miles back to the station in Unity. A conductor stands on the rear platform of the caboose to flag down any crossings if necessary. was caught off guard by the 1:30 departure leaving a few minutes early and did not have much time to set up my cameras here. thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe for more railroad content like this. The Belfast and Moosehead Lake was certainly a fun chase, and I hope you enjoyed watching it with me. Well, all was well until on my way home. I guess I can't win them all.